There. Hi, good evening. I just Nedivut asked me to go again and to make some little QA, so we'll do it together. So I do sign in with the super admin credentials. Okay, let's go one by one. Account management, my profile. This part looks okay. Let's go to change password. Why do we need old password if I want to change password in my account? If I don't remember my old password, it's a problem. Maybe we can ignore this row over here. Okay. Scale settings, this one is very good, and status settings, also this one is very good. So here we're done. Let's go to project management. View projects. Let's view the projects. Now let's try to contact list. To view contact list, looks okay. Let's try to it's very important to understand that over here we need to write down the project name over here. Project name, why? Because every time that you are enter over here, if we go back, press on the back button, and we just try to look at the contact list, we are looking on a contact list of a project, let's say project number 3. So we should see project number 3 over here, so it would be clear. And now when we press, if we want to see this list, and then we press on, let's say, press on the PDF, and we save it, and then we see it. Now this PDF should go here horizontal, landscape, not profit, and it should write down over here the name of the project. Okay, so if it would be landscape, I would see more columns over here, more details. Okay, so please do it. And the last thing, it should be right to left. It means that the subject would be on the left side and all the other would be reverse side, because it would be in Hebrew, and everything should be right to left. Okay, right to left, this way. So, but it's okay. Okay, let's go back. So as we are in the contact list, I mean here in the project list, it's very good the way that it is over here. I'm happy. Okay, so I just don't understand if I just want to take these two or these three and I want to export them. I am seeing all the 4. Maybe it's too. I don't know what shall we do about it, but it's not working okay right now. Okay, so let's keep on moving. This is project management. Add new project. Let's see. Add new project. Okay, over here it's fine. Everything is all the fields are okay. Now subject management. View subjects. Everything is just fine over here. It's the way that I asked it. Okay, user management. This one is a little tricky. View users. Very good. Let's try to edit this one. Okay, to add subject and office name. So we go over here and we press edit. What happened? You see, it's there is a problem over here. So please fix that. It's not a problem, but just fix it. Let's try to edit this one, this user. Okay, the same thing. Go back. So users, I mean there is a problem here with the users. Now you have to understand that over here with the users, I don't quite understand what do I see, because here I think that I would see all the users that in the system, but it's not right, because I should see only the users that we can see. Maybe we should see all the users, But over here we should also add another column that say project they listed, in what project they are entitled to see. I mean, the super admin should see what kind of maybe see it from here, but I think that if we will add here 100 users, let's say 10 users or 15 users for every project, and we have, let's say 20 projects, it's 300 users. So some of them are the same, but over here I think it would be a mess. So please think about how to solve this problem. Okay, solve this problem, please. So this is the user management. Let's say add a user. When you want to add a user, I think this is perfect. I mean, it's okay. That's what we meant. I mean, if you want to grant permission, you do it over here. It's fine. Please check for me that you take a project and you check it, that when you upload files, when you don't let a user to upload files, I cannot do it. Just check it. I don't have the time to do it. Please do it. Also the download, okay, and the delete. I want to be sure that everything works as it should. Okay, edit file. I don't understand what is it. Please explain me what the edit file, this permission should do. What do you mean edit file? You mean edit plan, yeah? Okay, maybe this is edit plan. Okay, we have to ask Nedivut. I mean, what is the purpose of this? But please tell me what did you meant. I mean, what the programmer did when he did it. This permission, I don't understand. Change permission. I think that I can understand. Okay, let's go to supplier management. View suppliers. Okay, this is nice. Let's add. Let's edit one. Okay. It's nice. Subject, project. You see over here it's easy because you can grant a project, but I think that the suppliers, this is not a drop down, it should be checkboxes. Why? Because a supplier and a user can be in more than one project. Okay, so it should be not just one project, it should be this part. This field should be a checkbox field. It could be at the bottom, so you would have more area for the checkbox. Okay, but this is important. So suppliers, where the suppliers are. Suppliers. Let's see the view suppliers. So column visibility. Okay, over here you should add project, because I want to sort these guys with projects. And again, I would like to also ask to have a filter over here to be able to see just one project, or one subject or one project. Please add the filter button over here, so we can make filters. Also in the subject, also in the we would like to see it in the project management as well. Okay, because if you will have 300 names over here, I would like to make I think that that's what the scope of the job that Nedivut just wrote, that you would have to have a filter to sort these guys, to show just a project, or show just a subject, or project and subject, or so on, so forth, and so on and so forth. Okay, plan management. This is the bottom line. I mean, the key issue of all this system. View plans. Let's see all the plans. This is nice. Checkbox. It's very important. Filter is very important over here. Please, okay. I would like to be able to press with the checkbox, and then to be able to add a new version to something that I see. Okay, if I press over here, it's just edit, but I need to make another version over here. Sometimes it's easy. After that, I'm making after that I make a filter, and then I sort it the way that I would like. Then I think that it would be easy to do it from this screen, to add the version. Okay, so filtering and the checkbox. Checkbox are important because sometimes I would like to just print or copy or Excel, just few files. So this one is not finished yet. Please again, project. Again, files are connected to project, so it's not just files, because we will have thousands of files over here, thousands, and if each file would have some versions, so it could be really some thousands of files and thousands of versions on these files. So it should be very, very easy. Remember, this is the heart of the system. So please rethink of it. I would like to have this checkbox over here to be able to print just some files and make a PDF the same way that we did. Try to imagine that I see this, I'm coming to these plans, and then I'm pressing the PDF, and there are thousands of files over here. I would see 1,000 rows. It's not reasonable. It should be connected to a project and connected to, some other way to filter it. Okay, think about thousands of files. Okay, plan, add a new plan. Okay, this is the way that she asked it. It's nice, and it's all. It seems to be. This one you changed. Thank you very much. Okay. Add plan. Okay, version. Let's see versions. Okay, version view that you did, really cool. She liked it, really. That the way that you can just press on a button and see the history of a file. It's fine. It's cool. This is all the history of a file. But what happened when the version description are more than one row? We need to check it. And again, I want to be able to, okay, print, it's fine. Let's go back, and then let's go to files. Okay, so here you have 3 files, and you have the way to download it. Can you please add a viewer to see PDF files? When you press on a file like this, most of the files will be or PDF or DWG for AutoCAD. It's for engineering. So it would be nice to have a viewer over here. Okay, so this is cool. Again, button over here should be back button, not here, over here. This is nice. Add version. Now here again, she would like to have the ability to press here on a file and to add a version. Okay. And I think that this is all for now. Please take care for this stuff, and then we will start the last phase of translating all the system. Now I believe that what we should do is to just add over here like a flag, English flag for English speakers, and another flag for Hebrew speakers. So it would be easy for a user maybe to, if you I do it, I think that it's important for you guys, if you want to afterwards to work on the system and to change it, it would be easy for you to press on English and to see the system in English, and for us to see the system in our language, which is Hebrew. Okay, so thank you so much for your time and your patience. We are really, I think that we are really on the way to finish this project. Thank you so much.